inside, stretcher and more. Hands up, hands down. Stand it is, attention. Stand it is, attention. So now I'd like to call the speakers to deliver their speech.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all, Honorable Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters and my dear friend. As you all know, it's me Kalika Thapa from grade 7 standing here in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of the female education. Before starting my speech, I would like to thank the ECA Committee of Honorable Mika Southern for organizing this type of program which increases the confidence level of the student. Now my topic goes like this. The female education. Men and women are the two wheels of the car. This famous statement advocates the equality of men and women and their paramount role for the development. In fact, men and women are the equal. Simply, female education means education to women. It is said that education to women is their rights. Unfortunately, female education has been neglected in many countries since earliest days. So people thought that female education is useless to girls. So they were stripped in ignorance, and that means they were forbidden to go out and work in other fields. Their prime motive was just to give birth to baby and look after it. Despite all this, female education, some other revolutionary female came out of this dead habit with new vision and vision. So this old idea has been gradually changed nowadays. The number of girls is increasing day by day at colleges, schools. In fact, home is the first school and mother is the first teacher of child. An educated mother can bring the betterment in children's life. At last, I would like to say that behind the success of every man, there is a role of women, and female education is very important in our life. Thank you and have a great day.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all. As you all know, it's me Priyanka Raut from grade 6, standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of traveling. Before starting my topic, I would like to thank the organizer who have organized this kind of program, who helps to increase the confidence level of the student. Now my topic goes like this, traveling. We like to do traveling. Traveling means going from one place to another within a country, a boat, whatever motive or purpose it is for. Some people travel for their entertainment. Some people do travel for their business, and some people do travel for their health and education. Travel makes people refresh. Mainly people travel in spring season. They see a wonderful face of nature. They taste a new culture, new people and new place. In every school and college, take to tour or picnic in every year. And last, I want to say that without travel or tour, education is incomplete. Thank you.
Speech. Cover up. Side of class 8 girls, be active. Hands down. Stand is attention. Stand is attention. So to provide some information, let's welcome to our respected Vice Principal Sir on the stage.
Thank you very much, Coordinator Sir. Cover up, everybody. Nishan Bhatt, be active. and side. Hands up, clap together. Hands side, hands down. Standards. Attention. What are they doing? I'm confused. Standards. No smartness as well. Attention. Standards. Attention. Cover up. Hands side. Hands up. You know why you're talking unnecessarily? Hands side. Hands down. Standards. So today is 17th of Asar 2083, Wednesday, and your minor exam as well as project work submission day. It provides you 20 marks from grade 4 to 7, grade 4 to 8, and 10 marks grade 9 and 10. That's why it is mandatory to complete the work. From tomorrow, major writing exam begins. That's why practice a lot and do your best. Don't lose your admit card. Keep it safely. If you keep at the back of your ID card, that is the safest place. Back side. So front side your ID, next side your admit card. So you will be hanging, and simply you can show, sir, this is my ID card, this is admit card, finished. And month Jestha is also already over. We have got altogether 7 candidates for Model Student of month Jestha. Out of those 7, 2 really model students are going to be honored today. So I would like to request to be on the stage Coordinator Sir Santosh Sir. Give him a big round of applause. Okay. In the same way, the students who have got the title Model Student of Vaishak, they are also requested to be on the stage. 2 students were there, so they will provide badge to new model students. On the stage, give them a big round of applause. One is boy and one is a girl. So what do you do? Shall I start from boy or girl? Boy? Okay. So will you give me once? All right, so what is mentioned here? Quality education is the foundation of success. Anupam Vidya Sadan Secondary School, Sakuna Margo and Kholagal Margo, Lajinpat, Kathmandu. Phone number 0145346165, 0145264464, 0140010008. Email anupamhsbs1995@gmail.com. Website www.anupam.edu.np. Certificate of appreciation. This is to certify that there is fill in the blanks of class gap has been recognized as the model student for the month of Jestha 2083 BS. This honor is awarded in appreciation of his or her academic excellence, discipline, leadership and exemplary conduct during the month. Given this on Wednesday, 17th of Asar 2083 BS. Ishwar Neupane, Vice Principal. Santosh Chaudhary, Coordinator. Okay, so you have said to start from boy. So let me announce the name. None other than SE Batch 2083 from grade 10, Master Nirajan Shrestha. Give him a big round of applause. He is model student for the month Jestha 2083. Okay, now it's the time of girls, right? Do you have any guess? Okay. Congratulations. Once again, give a big round of applause to them. Yes, congratulations, Dhirajan. Now it's a time to announce the model student girl. Any idea? From which class? From class F. Oh, you are class 4. Limia Tawan. Congratulations, Limia. So, they have deserved the place of model student Jestha 2083. Congratulations. And you look at this side, Golimia. Yes. Look. Yeah, good. Yeah, here is the camera. Okay, good. All right. Give a big round of applause once again. Good. Help her to put that one. Miss. Okay, so that's great. In the same way, next month we will be honoring the students. Model Student ASA 2083. Attention. Now go to your class and give your best in minor exam. Forward march. Class 4, move forward. Class 9, move forward.